my mode set. Look what Khadija does before she starts. She's like, all sorts of stupid stuff. Get ready. You must laugh at my videos. No lipstick on the teeth, I hope. So let's get into it. Okay. All right. I have to get into my, you know how it is. Okay. No. Make sure I don't have anything on my teeth. So we're gonna get into it, but my bow tie came out of my thing. So don't show this part. Okay, I think I'm looking good. Okay, let's do it. Seriously. All right. I'm alive. Cover up my double chin. Yes, because I have a double chin and I'm not trying to show it off. So let's go, let's go. Okay, light, cooperate, light, yeah. I specialize in, let me start that over. Sounds so mechanical. All right, we had to see what you are. Whew. All right, let's go. Let's go. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh, I'm ready. Yes. Hi, welcome to the Henna Sooq channel. My name is Khadija. So PPD is a chemical, oh my gosh, I can't speak. Endocrine disrupting capabilities. Endocrine disrupting capabilities. It's so nice, look at that. And the phone's ringing. Of course, I knew it. I was just thinking about the phone ringing. Not all henna. Darn it. I've seen it in oh my gosh, are you kidding?
Call from name unavailable.
The second herb that I want to talk to you about is the phone ringing. I'll be back. Oil. Adib, are you going for a walk? Making sure there's no noise. I hear rain going really low. All right, this will be the last video. See here? They don't want me to be great. Okay. Oh my God. I bang a thing. Oh Lord, save us.
Don't settle. Start your day
It's
with
an
Secret.
ad.
Secret starts
It's
over
an
and
ad.
sweat 3 times more.
Secret is bad for you.
It's
It's just keeping it really oh jeez.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Oh my
The
God.
internet isn't reachable.
Am I talking to Alexa? No, I'm not. Adib, I'm recording. Could you be quiet? It can be on damp hair strands, which will, oh my God, rain! Quiet! So those are 2 different methods known as LCO and L. Then go ahead and use one of our hair washes. Rain, stop! So use one of our hair washes. Oh my gosh, it's like she's talking back to me. I'm recording. I'm recording. I should close my door. Especially Atlanta's, it's huge. So for hey, I'm recording. Oh, let me repeat that. Why is that so much noise? Who is that? Answering me. Okay, I don't know what in the world they're doing. What time is it? Oh my gosh, who is that? All right, so where was that? Okay. Oh.
Are you live?
No, I'm recording.
No.
Look at that. See what I have to deal with? Oh my God, stop texting me, Maria. Kapha embodies the energy. That's not even what it says. Yes, it does. Balancing the doshas because it's very oh no. My computer's about to fall. Oh, darn it. Oh my Lord. I'm so mad right now. Really? Ugh. I had to use my foot to like, I was trying to keep it on. So I have some almond powder, I got some rose petal powder, and I got something else. I'm like, darn it, what do we have? And I will see you next time. All right, guys, see you later. Bye. I don't like trying to like wave with like butter in my hand. See ya.